that difficult to tell what's wrong with the refrigerator in this film, because for most of it they don't really show much of what's inside of it, excluding some Aunt Jemima pancakes and a little man that looks extremely suspicious. So here's that scene.
Alors, on a une petite faim, chouette.
After a while, you find out that it's possessed by the devil, and it can do things around the house like this.
Hey, Juan, tu as vu ce délire?
Yeah, it takes a while, but finally somebody gets the idea to unplug it. There's shit out of luck there, because that doesn't work. So, the man decides to offer the girl as a sacrifice to the refrigerator to quell its anger.
Viens, va plus.
Non, pas ça! Non, Steve! Pose-moi!
Laisse-moi.
The man stumbles through some poorly designed set which transfers from being hell to a normal kitchen and back to hell.
En prie, laisse-moi partir!
And then, upset at being sacrificed to a refrigerator, the girl stabs him in the back. Very dramatic, of course, but that doesn't stop the refrigerator, so, of course, they need a plumber.
Derrière toi. Ne restez pas là.
I guess that stops the refrigerator, because not too long after they have this concluding scene for the movie.